We are pleased to present to you our bead seating nozzles. We have two distinct and effective types, the versatile universal and the robust industrial. The universal nozzles come in three specific sizes, 6 mm, 7 mm, and 8 mm. They are perfectly suitable for all types of vehicles with a universal valve, ensuring broad compatibility. On the other hand, we have industrial nozzles in 6, 7, 8, and 11 mm. All of these are entirely suitable for various industrial valve applications. Now we will proceed to show you precisely how these components operate within the workshop environment. First, we carefully remove the essential valve core. As you can clearly see, the tire is not properly seating on the rim at all. We carefully and precisely place the appropriate nozzle. We connect the air, and once the bead is seated, we disconnect the nozzle. We never use it for inflation. We finish inflating the tire with the pressure gauge, ensuring it is at the correct level. We have several sizes available. In this case, we're showing you the robust industrial nozzle, which allows you to deliver the full flow directly from your hose, thereby making the bead seat faster. Portfolio of Our nozzles are suitable for all vehicles, trucks, industrial, agricultural machinery, 4x4s, cars, motorcycles, ATVs, trailers,